Welcome back to Dan's Fender Benders. Give us one of these. Woo! Don't adjust your screens. This is real. This is an aluminium polished chrome body, and yes, this is a thing that Fender did at one stage, and it was my task to bring it back to life for a customer. And after the little song that you're about to listen to, there's a full review afterwards. So thanks for tuning in again. Check it out. I hope you enjoyed that little song there. It's a bit untraditional for a Telecaster, huh? Yeah, but that's just my style. So what have we got here? We have a Harley Davidson Fender Anniversary Aluminum Polished to Chrome Body. Yes, this was actually surplus from that anniversary, so that's why I wasn't so nervous to drill holes in it and have a bit of fun modifying it. And it came out quite nice, I think. The wiring over here is the Baja wiring, which is quite sought after on the high end. So we've got a tone just there. And then over to our left, we've got the volume, which has a nice little out of phase switch, which is good for positions 2 and 4. But I'll run you through the different positions and what they do. So bridge is position 1, 2 is bridge and neck in parallel, position 3 is neck only, and position 4 is bridge and neck but in series. And when you push that little button, it goes out of phase in position 2 and 4. So very interesting tones you can get out of this guitar. The pickups are Prima USA hand wound pickups. So I believe that they're a bit of a boutique type of thing. They sound pretty good. The pickguard was just simply a hot rod type of feel, jazz it up a bit, and we've got a very old school T style bridge there. The neck, we had the truss rod wheel style for adjustment. I love that, but the body did have to be modified to fit that again. And another thing, just things like the strap locks that had to drill holes into an aluminium body, which made me very nervous about doing, but it all turned out quite nice. The other thing we noticed too, that it didn't have an input or an output jack, so the idea of using a barrel jack for the strap lock and combination worked out quite well. But it is beautiful. It's very resonant as well when you play this. The neck is an elite Telecaster. These are made in California. Incredibly nice playing neck, I must say. Fit and finish was beautiful. I really didn't even have to do much to this. The nut was cut perfectly. And yeah, Telecaster headstock, but the tuners are locking. Now just looking at the back of the guitar here, and this is the beauty of trying to film a chrome guitar with sunlight on it. It just reflects everything. It really does. But it's beautiful. You can take some amazing shots or even capture your cameraman if you're doing a show, I could imagine. So you get to see my awning there. Isn't that lovely? Yeah, but the finish is fantastic. All around, it does need a really heavy duty polish, but that's something that I think the owner is going to do again afterwards, because of course manhandling this a bit as I was drilling holes in for that. As you can see, there's the strap barrel combo. Works out quite nicely, quite clean. Nightmare to get your hand in there to do up the nut though. And then just having another quick look at the top there. What a lovely specimen. Yeah, so thanks for tuning in for Dan's Fender Benders. There's some other unique guitars coming again to the channel. So always check out the channel, get ready for the new ones, and be well and be nice to each other. Bye.